Hi everybody, welcome to my channel, Rosie Cooks. I'm making these beautiful fried cinnamon apple balls. Yummy! Stay with me. So right here I have an apple and I'm going to peel it. And now I'm going to cut it and get rid of the core and cut it down into small bite-sized pieces. Little pieces. Kind of like this, really small. Now it's 1 cup of flour. This is 1 teaspoon of baking powder. And now I'm going to mix this together. I'm going to set this to the side and bring in another bowl. So here's my apple. I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of sugar. Here's a half a teaspoon of cinnamon and 1 egg. And I'm going to mix all this together. Now I'm going to add everything to my flour mixture. And mix this together. So now I'm going to form this into like a dough. So as I mix it together, it all kind of sticks together because that egg was a binder. So I'm going to start making balls. Like this. Just put them all together. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get my cookie scooper. It seems to be the perfect size. It's very helpful to make little round balls. And this is a good size. So I'm going to put them, shape them in there. And that's it. Just a nice little ball. Here are my little balls, my little apple balls. Now just make them a little more round. And I have some hot oil on the side. Okay, it's heating up. We're going to start frying up our little apple balls until they're golden brown. Don't put too many. You don't want to crowd it. I have this on a medium-low heat, just slightly under the medium. So this is what you want to do. You want to have your fire on your heat. You want to have it under the medium. And then you want to put one in and see how long it takes. If it seems like it's getting brown too quickly, then lower the heat and then continue. My first batch I thought got hot and dark a little bit too quickly. So these are going a little slower. So here's my little fried apple balls. Very tasty, you guys. And all you have to do is just put some powdered sugar. And don't they look beautiful? Now I'm going to get one just to let you see inside. Nice breaded cinnamon and apple. Yummy. Oh my goodness. Very tasty. Okay, these are fried cinnamon apple balls. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe and I will see you next time.